Hi everybody, my name is Imaan and I'm gonna show you my beauty secrets today. So first I'm gonna start with this beautiful Chantal oil. It's rose oil and it really helps my face, like it hydrates my face and it smells really good. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that. I'm gonna use this bio lifting cream and I'm gonna mix it together and just, you know, put it everywhere. I don't know what it's called, but I bought this on Amazon and it literally is the best thing ever. So I just massage my face really fast. So like all the blood in my face just gets going. Eye cream. This is the best eye cream in the whole world. It's also rose. After a long week of working and no sleep, I just put this under my eye and I just like let it sit there for a little bit. And it takes all the bags away. So I let it sit. I grab the last step, the vitamin C intensive face cream. Oh, it smells so good. So I discovered this product actually on a shoot. A makeup artist was using it. My face is just very oily and this cream just helps it like feel balanced and just healthy and not too oily. I mean, I'm from Morocco, so like we use a lot of oils as in argan oil, we use olive oil for our skin and rose oil. And my mom was actually like, oh, this product, you have to use it. So yeah, since I'm a baby, I've been using a lot of oils on my face and my hair. I'm gonna start with brushing these eyebrows. That's always the first step. I just brush it and make it look a little rough. That's the only thing I do. Then, concealer. I just put a little under my eyes. A little bit on my nose and like a little, just here little dots. My friend actually, she's a makeup artist. I mean, I don't really use foundation that much. And she was like, you know what, just use this concealer. You can use it as a foundation. It's actually the perfect color because I got a little dark this summer, but it still like evens everything out perfectly. I like to use my hands or my fingers because, I don't know, it just feels good. Foundation, I just put a little bit on my hand with a sponge. And then my hair is getting in my face, so I'm gonna tie it back. So this is what I normally always do. I just put it up like that and like a cute little poofy. Now I'm gonna go for curling my lashes. And I hate this part because it's just so scary to me, like, look down. My beauty role model is my mom. I grew up in a family with all women. She just didn't really care about what people thought of her. She just wore her hair curly, big fro, and she wore colorful things, just be bold. Mascara. I love this mascara, man. It's the best mascara. I choose a mascara always for the brush. I think the brush is the most important thing. To make my lashes look really thick and long. Some bronzer. I like this one because it has 4 like different shades and it has also in the middle some gold, some highlighter. So we'll do a little on the cheek, a little on the nose. And then some lip balm. Favorite lip balm. I love this lip balm because it's just make my lip look super shiny and healthy. Cute. We'll do a little face mist because sometimes when you put powder, I feel like it looks a little too thick. So I'm just gonna. Okay, I put a little bit too much face mist. Okay, I forgot the most important part, and that is highlighter. I just put it on my nose, do a little there, And then I do a little here, just to get the cheeks looking cute. I just put it on my chin. I mean, I've learned it from like, on shoots, they always put it on the chin. I've actually never asked, I should ask. I like to use a brush to blend it all out. Cool guys, I think I'm ready. So I'm gonna take my hair down. We're gonna work on my hair a little spray. I've been wearing my hair like this since 5 years ago. I love it because it's just natural and it's me and it's big and I love it. Well, I'm done. Hair is looking cute, makeup is on point. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!